What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called ARK, which has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 75 cents. So we're going to be looking at where this crypto is heading towards. Why is it pumping so much? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or is it, if you are already holding it, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go? And also going into 2024, is this a good investment? And if so, when is a good time to buy the crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And this is very interesting as it has broken out from the red zone and currently trading in the green zone, which is quite questionable whether it's going to head upwards or is it going to drop back down into the red zone. But we'll have a look at that later on in the video. So let's hide this for now and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ARK, which is here in purple at just over 51 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red at nearly 75 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from ARK over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting ARK to have dropped back down just below 70 cents in target is what my predictions are at the moment. However, no major drops are expected, and that also does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over 80 cents in target over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down below 70 cents. But in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon. So guys, yes, an overall drop in value is what is expected from ARK over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from ARK over the next week or so. So let's say towards the end of next week, ARK should essentially be trading between 70 and 75 cents in target, somewhere around where it is at the moment. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently staying at its price range. Obviously, it's going to drop a little bit further down over the coming days, down to just below 60 cents is what my predictions are. And then by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting it to slowly gain value, heading over the 70 cents target towards the end of next week. So yes, do expect more red days over the coming days, and then it should be able to hit green days heading upwards. All in all, it should be quite volatile, up and down all over the place over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, we've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is looking quite steep, meaning it's not that realistic. However, the orange line we can clearly see is just about slanting towards a positive direction. So guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected from ARK over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late December 2023, we should expect ARK to have gone for an overall increase in value. However, the main question is, can it hit the dollar mark? Guys, personally, I don't think it will hit the dollar mark, but it should get very close to that target, potentially heading over the 90 cents by mid-December and slightly higher than that towards the end of December as well. So yeah, it's going to be quite tight, but that would only happen if Bitcoin manages to pump up to around $40,000 towards the end of the year, which I am predicting it should happen, just like I predicted it for it to hit $35,000 by mid to late October. And yes, it has taken place. Now the next target is $40,000 towards the end of the year, which I am expecting. And if that does take place, then we should see major increases in value in the crypto market on different cryptocurrencies, which also involves ARK as well, heading to around the dollar mark towards the end of the year is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's get rid of the the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, it is currently trading in the green zone, as I mentioned at the start of the video, but now what I am expecting for it to happen is over the next 12 to 14 hours is for it to drop back down into the red zone and potentially stay there for about the next 2 to 3 days and then head back into the green zone by mid and end of next week, like I said earlier on in the video. And we should essentially be trading in the green zone for most of November and December as well, and getting very close to the resistance target. And this is where it's going to struggle to hit the dollar mark, as it is going to keep resisting this line here, which is 95 cents. And again, the previous times it did head into the green zone, it straight away dropped back down in value, and that happened again in November, as you guys, sorry, not November, in September earlier this, so basically about 2 months ago, it did happen. It did drop back down in value, and right now it's pumping back into the green zone, but it's likely to drop back down and then head back into the green zone towards the end of the year. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ARK, guys. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up massively, 400% up in the last 24 hours, making it $356 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers as well, as you guys can see here, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype in the crypto world. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are predicting ARK to hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the you guys who have been supporting the channel since day one. Thank you guys so much. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.